Hello everybody, this is Linda. Welcome to Lenny P's Place. Hope everyone is doing well, and we are here for another page in our Junk Journal, July Junk Journal Challenge 2025. Still can't get that right. Still a mouthful for me. Anyway, I am filming this a day ahead because I'm going to be busy on Thursday. So, yes, our prompt is bird. So that'll be day 18. So, I have my things here ready to go. And so I'm going to put this down as my background. And it's a bit short, but doesn't matter because the bottom, I think, is going to cover it pretty good. I think. Okay. So this project is going to end pretty soon. It's been so much fun. I've enjoyed it so much. I think we all have. It's just been a lot of fun. And oh, my phone's ringing. If you'll give me just a minute, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Wasn't worth getting up for. Just another one of those spam calls. Boy, they really get aggravating, don't they? I haven't been having any, but last few days they've been coming back. So, you know, they come for a little while and then they go away and then they start back up. So, anyway, I'm using a hummingbird, and I'm going to leave a pocket, although I'm not going to put anything in it. It'll be a pocket, but it'll be one that I don't put anything in. So, maybe later, but not right now. It's getting too thick. And then this is going to go up here. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that this came out of the Wildflower workbook. I'm not sure where it came from. I think I got it from Amazon. It's been quite a while back, so I don't really remember, but I'm pretty sure that's where it came from. So, anyway, how's everybody's weather? Let's talk about the weather for a minute. Boy, has it been hot and wet. I'm so sorry. My heart, my prayers, they go out to the people in the flooded areas. It's awful what's happening. I live in North Carolina, and it's been not bad here where I'm at. I'll just say that I feel blessed that we haven't been affected so much. We've gotten a lot of rain, but we haven't had any. There has been flooding, but not here where I live. So I'm adding this little poem here, and I think I got this little poem from somewhere on the internet. I think I just Googled hummingbird quotes and poems, and this came up. So I'm just putting this down here. Let's see, it goes like that. I had it all figured out the way I wanted it on here, and now I can't remember. Let's see, did it go this way? Must not have. I'm going to tear that down just a little bit. I'm going to finish laying this out before I don't remember how I had it. It looked better the way I had it. Let's see. This must have been supposed to go up here, because it doesn't look like it's... I don't remember. I should take pictures, and then I wouldn't forget. That's okay, though. I think that's all right. Okay, I'm going to do it this way. So we talked about the weather. That's about it for me. Oh, I broke a tooth. No, I didn't break a tooth. My filling came out, so I've got to go to the dentist and get my tooth fixed. That'll be fun. Don't just love going to the dentist? I hate the dentist. You know what's weird is my daughter, she loves to go to the dentist. She loves getting her teeth cleaned. Who likes that besides her? Weird. Oh, yeah, she does. She was a dental assistant when she was in the military. Maybe that has something to do with it. But for whatever reason, she likes to go. I hate the dentist. I don't like the dentist at all. I mean, personally, the dentist I don't mind. It's what goes on while you're there that I don't like. So, but then I think most people don't. So anyway, I have to go tomorrow. So I'm doing this. That's why I'm doing this early, because I have to go to the dentist tomorrow. And, okay, so could look better, but I can't, it looked better when I remember how I had it on there. I just can't remember now, but it's okay. Says, like the hummingbird, sipping nectar from every flower. That doesn't even sound right. Oh, I think I got something wrong there. What did I do? Oh, I know what I did. It's too late to change it now. Well, isn't that something? Okay, so it should be like the hummingbird sipping nectar from every flower. I fly joyfully through my days, seeing beauty in everything. And this, well, you know what? You get what you get. Can't get everything. Well, I should be able to, but I don't. Okay, I'm just going to pull this up along with the paper and everything else. So what am I going to put there? You see my mistake. We'll figure out a way to fix it. Won't we? We will. Just give me a second. I have a piece right here that I had the poem on to start with. So just let me pull this out. And oh, what a mess. Well, you get to see my mistakes. Let me ink this up. Looks pretty bad, but it'll be okay. Going to fix it. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute, y'all. We'll get it fixed one way or another. Looks pretty silly, but that's okay. It's going to go right there. And how am I going to fix it? How am I going to fix that big spot up there? Just hang on. And we will fix it. We will figure a way. Or I'll figure a way. You can be yelling at me, hey, do this, do this, do this. Now, this is the lady that wrote it. And I'm just going to stick her down here now. Amethyst Wildfire is her name. If I forgot to tell you. So she's going to go down here. Like that. Now I'm going to get, I had to shrink this down because it was too big. This one here. It came out of the same book. So, could put a flower there. A little flower. Can we do that? Let's try that. Let's just fussy cut this flower out. Won't be perfect, but it'll be good enough. Oh boy, this was supposed to be not very long. Now I've made it longer than I intended for it to be. Well, that doesn't look very good. Let's take some off. It's too much. I have to cover that up. How am I going to do that? Let's see. This might not work. I might have to come up with another idea. Well, I can put some there. Well, that's what I just had. I just moved it a little. Let's just tear it. How's that? Good enough. It'll work. It'll be okay. I'm trying not to be so anal about everything. So I guess that kind of helps when you don't have a choice. You just got to go with what you can to repair what you messed up, right? So let's see. If I put this here, and I'm just going to do it. I'm not going to think about it. I'm just going to do it because time's wasting. So I'm going to put that there like that. Where'd my other piece go? Oh, here it is. And I'm going to put this. It's going to go. Whoops, can't go that way. It's got to come up some. Well, that looks kind of dumb. Hang on. How'd I have it? Anybody remember? Well, it's got to go this way. So it's going to go right there. As bad as that looks. That's just the way it has to be. This doesn't look so bad because it looks like it's part of that. This just looks like it's hanging out there. Maybe I should have put a bee or something right there. Too late. It's going to stay. Well, it's not really staying down. I could have used, well, I have. I have a bee. Would a bee cover it? I don't know. Let's see. Feel free to leave if you want to, because it seems to be taking me a bit of a longer time than I thought to fix this. So, bee might not be big enough. If I put that back, and I put the bee on top. Yeah, okay. I'm going to do that. I'm just going to cut him down a little bit more. And then I'm just going to put him on top of the flower. Maybe it won't look so like it's just hanging out there. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We'll see in a minute. Okay, let me ink around him a little bit. Okay. Sometimes we figure out a way to fix our mistakes, and sometimes we just have to do the best we can and let that be good enough. And that's what I'm doing today. Just doing it the best I can. It's not perfect, but what do you think? How's that? Well, that's it anyway. Okay, like the hummingbird, sipping nectar from every flower, I fly joyfully through my days, seeing beauty in everything. And it's by Amethyst Wildfire. So yes, my friends, fixed it the best I could. I don't like it, but it will have to do. So please, everybody, take care and be safe, be happy, be well. And I'll see you on Friday. Okay, bye for now.